Alright guys, today we're going to be installing these coilovers on my car. These are before installation, yada yada yada. And then stickers. But I thought now we have the engine out of my BMW right there, but this is just everything. We're doing a manual swap on that. But we're installing these coilovers while everything is apart pretty much. But yeah, these are that. Had these for almost a year. And this is what they look like.
They're supposed to be for the work.
Yeah, I was gonna install these on my convertible, but didn't end up doing that. These are for the rear. So let's get to breaking down the front. All right, so I think we're gonna try to use the long handle ratchet to get in there rather than using a impact, just because I know these break and I think it's less chance of it breaking if we use a ratchet. So I'm gonna get to doing that. I think it's a 17. I believe so. No, 18, 19. Thanks. All right, so I got the end link off of the, I don't know, what do you call this? Coil strut?
The strut.
The strut assembly. And I got vice grips on the back of this to turn it, and then just so it's out of the way right now. I don't even think the other side's connected, because you see it moving.
Your whole sway bar is broken off over it.
Is it really?
That's what it looks like.
That's what I'm saying. Like, is the end link just not there?
No, the sway bar is just not connected.
Yeah, it's not connected to the end link.
I don't think it was
Whatever.
cut off, that's all.
I thought you said the sway bar was broken.
That's what it looked like.
But I'm just slowly taking this out, trying not to break that bottom bolt, because this will turn this into an all-day job if that happens. Because it doesn't matter if those break. I didn't take this out all the way, it just fell out, so I'm gonna see if I can squeeze in the old coilover so I'm not. But once this is out of the way, I'm gonna try to get onto that. But I undid that because the exhaust manifold coming out wasn't really gonna clear it, so that's just.
It also popped out when the headers got on it.
Yeah. I'm gonna get new ones anyway. I want to do a full SLR angle kit. All my drift friends are telling me not to get angle. But I think that's something I'll do down the line. Run stock angle, make you a better driver first. Is that the last one?
Yeah.
Why isn't it going down? Is there bolts in the top of it? No, like loose bolts, like right here. Like.
Take one off still.
Yeah, I know, but I'm saying, like, is there a loose bolt like that I took off and put in there?
Oh, up top, yeah.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. I don't know. I guess you can put them in here.
These are 3 strut elements.
I think there's new ones, so. I'll put it over here. I'll put these over here too. I don't know what these are for. I don't think I need these. I think these are just for the secondary air point. All right, so why isn't it going down? Can you push it? got it.
Yeah. There's so much corrosion on this back one.
Can you grab it? Okay. Yeah, so I have this resting on my leg so the thing's not out. But that's basically just that bottom bolt and then those 3 top, and it's out. I'm gonna take this off right now also because there's new ones. So that is the new one. Can you put it next to the old one? So 3 inches, 3-inch drop.
Yeah, 2.5 maybe.
I could raise it, but should I raise it?
With the 17s it'll fit, not with the unparallels.
Yeah. Okay. So those are going in. I'm gonna have to loosen the top. I don't know if these don't look like they have a grease point, but they don't look like they're full of grease. So I'm just gonna assume they have grease in them. Yeah. All right. Got the top hat to move a bit, but we have to. I think we're gonna move the bottom collar so we could. Should we measure them while they're out? Yeah. I don't know.
We'll have to adjust the bottom collar so we measure it when it's in.
Yeah. But just so, because that pin has to go between here, I think. Or I'm pretty sure. So once that happens, there's a lot of tension on this line. It's not that much actually. But yeah. Gotta put these on.
Come on.
All right, so we just measured this. It's 1 5/8. Did I tighten it already? No.
No.
So. All right, I'm spinning this whole thing. So I'm gonna have to hold the top while I tighten it. All right, so just got this in. Tightening this bolt down. I'm gonna look up the torque spec for this. I don't think there is one. But once we got these on, and I'm gonna get this end link on. All right, so we just got this side on. These are hand tight right now, but there's, what do we say, 1 5/8.
Mm-hmm.
So 1 5/8 of thread, and this was 47 foot-pounds, this bottom bolt, just so you don't break them. But right now we're gonna do the other side. I already got the wheel off, and we'll show you that. All right, so you gotta go. Yeah. Right now, taking this out. Oh my god, this feels so weird. I don't think I'm gonna be able to get this in there, but let me get in there. Yeah, I might need a. All right. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna be able to record it, but where that socket is, there's two bolts over there. But
Is it
all right.
lined up?
Yeah.
Watch your hand.
No, you're good. Okay. So we just use whatever stock spec that. Oh, you gotta go down.
Down more.
Yeah. All right, you gotta go up now. You go up a little bit more. Okay. All right, I think that should be fine. So we use like whatever was stock pretty much for the that. We didn't adjust that at all. We left that rubber piece in there, and we just, my coil was broken. It's been broken for some years now, but I just never cared. But right now I'm gonna put in, there's that 2 bolts I showed you, and then there's this bottom bolt that was 18 mil. So we just gotta put that one in, and then we should be all Gucci. All right, guys, so just got this side in. Make sure you put those rubber, there's a rubber piece here, and then there's one on top. Make sure that goes in. It's just so nothing's terrible. Both springs were broken on each side. from the OEM. So yeah. Also, right now, I just have to tighten up the sway bar end links. And once those are tight, then we're all good.